Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to get TikTok Studio to your mobile device, to your tablet, to your PC, or even your desktop or your Android devices. So you can get TikTok Studio on all across devices on this video. So the first thing I want you to do is learn that I'm using an iOS. If you're using an Android devices or other devices on your hand right now, just follow the steps I'm going to discuss, and then you're going to get your TikTok Studio moving forward. So the first step is making sure our phone or devices is up to date. On my end, I'm going to go to settings. So I'm going to go back here and click on software update. And as you can see, there are no pending updates on my end. So just making sure that everything is smooth and going. You can also do this on an Android device just by going to settings and check on software update. And next up, making sure that I'm going to go to your Play Store if you're using an Android device or an App Store if you're using an iOS and Apple devices. So simply click on iStore right there, and simply as you can see right here, click on TikTok Studio. And you're gonna see this one. So it's gonna be easy as downloading any applications on your phone. Should be looking like this, and make sure that you're gonna get the 4.7 ratings and moving forward because there are a lot of fake applications out there. Just making sure you get the correct one just by reading the results, and as you can see, it has a 274 ratings. And basically click on get or application download on your end. And that's it. Moving forward, you're going to get your TikTok Studio on your devices, may it be an Apple, Android, laptop, or PC. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.